Okay, y'all, I've got 1 pound of this original premium breakfast sausage. Make sure that all that goes right into our bowl. I love these tubes because it just makes it easier to get all the meat out. And to that, we're gonna be adding a tub of whipped cream cheese. I love using whipped cream cheese rather than the blocks because they already come softened. Don't have to wait for it to soften up. I can use it just as is. So we've got a 8-ounce tub of whipped cream cheese in with our pound of breakfast sausage. You can use mild breakfast sausage or spicy or even maple if you want for this recipe. I don't know if you have a favorite kind of breakfast sausage that you like using. Let me know in the comments if you like I've tried sage breakfast sausage. That's also good too. So to this, we're gonna be adding a 2-cup bag of triple cheddar cheese. That goes right in there. And this is 1.5 pounds of shredded hash browns. We're only gonna be using half of this bag. We only need 1 pound of shredded hash brown potatoes. Then we're gonna give everything a really good mix. Combine all those flavors. So once we have all of this mixed together, I've got one last ingredient for this delicious appetizer, and that is 1.5 cups of Bisquick baking mix. That's the baking mix that already has like a little bit of salt, some baking powder, some milk powder. That's all in there. It's like a one and done. I've used it for pancakes, so many other things. Let me know what you use Bisquick for outside of pancakes, because that seems to be like the standard, but I know you can use it for like a bunch of other things. Okay, once we have all that Bisquick mixed in with our cheese and breakfast sausage and that whipped cream cheese, put down a baking sheet. I've got some parchment paper on here. Let's take an ice cream scoop and just make these little hash brown sausage balls right onto the baking sheet like that. These are gonna be so good. You can make these up ahead of time. You can do it for breakfast. So easy to make, just like that. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how these turned out. I actually made the rest of those up in another batch like this. I've got some hot honey, just gonna do a drizzle on top of everything. Just a little sweet, spicy goodness on top of each one of these haystacks. Got the sausage and the hash browns and all that cheese. And then we're just gonna top everything with a little bit of parsley just to make everything look a little prettier, a little green on top of all those little brown haystacks. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. Give this a taste test. Mmm, those are delicious. You should totally make these for like brunch or a watch party. They're delicious.